Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Liz. Today I have a fun, quick, and easy home decor project using a Maker Studio products. And here's the finished product. The products we will be using for this project are the gel stain, the mesh, stencil, and chalk art. And the wood sign I got at Hobby Lobby. The first thing we have to do is we have to sand the wood so that we make sure that there aren't any slivers or pieces coming up. The gel stain is applied with a chip brush, but you can also apply it with a foam brush or even a rag. What's so nice about this gel stain, it has no VOCs, so you don't have to worry about ventilation. And for me, that's a big plus because sometimes I'm crafting in the middle of the night and I don't want to go outside. So I am taking a baby wipe here just to take off the excess. Before we move on to the next step, we want to make sure that it's completely dry. A Maker Studio has many colors of stain, and I will be putting the links down below so you can take a look and let me know in the comments if you go over which is your favorite color of stain. And so making sure that everything is completely dry before we move on to the next step, we will be using the mesh stencils. And the mesh stencils are a silk screen with an adhesive back. And so you don't have to worry about the stencil shifting or anything. And I am applying the chalk art, which is a chalk paste, with a squeegee. And what's nice about this medium is that once it dries hard. And it won't come off until you use water to wipe it away. And look at how nice it comes out. Voila! Super fun. And here's the finished product again. And I just want to thank you for stopping by and taking a peek, and remind you to subscribe, and we will see you at the next project.